Hey everyone! Are you ready to make awesome videos? Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, this guide is for you. Capcut is your new best friend. This powerful app is designed to make video editing a breeze. It's a free app that makes video editing simple and fun. With its intuitive interface, you can create stunning videos in no time. Lots of people use Capcut, from beginners to pros. It's perfect for anyone who wants to bring their creative ideas to life. Why? Because it's super easy to learn. You don't need any prior experience to start creating amazing videos. Capcut is available on your phone, so you can edit anywhere. Whether you're at home, in a cafe, or on the go, your editing studio is always with you. No big, confusing computer programs here. Capcut simplifies the process, so you can focus on your creativity. Ready to make magic? Let's go! Dive into the world of Capcut and start creating videos that will wow your audience. The possibilities are endless. In this video, we'll guide you through the basics of using Capcut, a powerful and easy-to-use video editing tool. And stay tuned, as we will guide you step by step on the process of creating high-quality YouTube videos through editing. Capcut's design is clean and intuitive, making it accessible for everyone. Finding the tools you need is a breeze. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, so you can focus on your creativity. Don't let the simplicity fool you. Capcut is powerful. You can trim clips, add music, and even layer multiple audio tracks. The app offers a variety of special effects, from basic transitions to advanced filters, allowing you to make your videos stand out. Capcut grows with you. Start with the basics, like trimming and adding text, and gradually explore more complex features. As you become more experienced, you'll discover new tools and techniques that can take your editing skills to the next level. It's like having a video editing studio in your pocket. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Capcut has everything you need to create stunning videos on the go. And when you're done, sharing your masterpiece is just a tap away. Capcut makes it easy to upload your videos directly to your favorite social media platforms. Watch as the likes and comments roll in, and enjoy the satisfaction of creating something amazing with Capcut. With Capcut, you can create anything you can imagine. From simple edits to complex projects, the possibilities are endless. Make awesome vlogs about your day. Create eye-catching clips for TikTok or Instagram. Feeling ambitious? Edit your own short film. Capcut works with footage from your phone or camera. Let's dive into the creative features that Capcut offers. Templates, transitions, and effects are at your fingertips with Capcut. In this chapter, we'll show you how to use these elements to enhance your videos and make them stand out. Templates are pre-made designs. Just add your footage. Transitions make switching between scenes smooth. Effects add cool visuals. These tools are easy to use and add a professional touch. Experiment and have fun. Congratulations! You've taken the first step into the world of video editing with Capcut. This powerful tool is designed to make video editing accessible and fun for everyone, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. Now, it's time to dive in. Open the app and explore its intuitive interface. You'll find a variety of features that can transform your raw footage into a polished masterpiece. Download the app and play around. Familiarize yourself with the different tools and options available. The more you experiment, the more comfortable you'll become. Capcut provides advanced tools and techniques to take your editing skills to the next level. From simple cuts and transitions to advanced effects and filters, Capcut offers endless possibilities to enhance your videos. Don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. That's how you learn. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Each edit you make is a step towards mastering the art of video editing. Every video you make brings you one step closer to becoming a pro. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and most importantly, have fun with the process. Your creativity is your only limit. This is just the beginning of your Capcut journey. There are tons of tutorials and resources available online. Watch videos, read articles, and join communities. Learn from other creators and share your own knowledge. The more you practice, the better you'll become. Stay inspired and continue to experiment with new ideas and techniques. Now, without further ado, let's teach you how to edit professional YouTube videos that stand out. I'll be showing you how to edit a YouTube video using Capcut on mobile. Capcut is a powerful, user-friendly video editing app that's perfect for beginners and pros alike. Plus, everything I'll show you here can also be done on the desktop version of Capcut, giving you flexibility to edit wherever you are. So, let's dive right into it. To start editing, open up the Capcut app. From the home page, you'll see a big button labeled New Project. Tap on that and it will open up your gallery, allowing you to pick the video clips or images you want to include in your edit. Here, take your time browsing through your clips. Maybe you have a few different shots that you want to piece together, or you're selecting multiple scenes from a vlog. Choose all the clips that you want to edit together by tapping on them. And once you've selected everything, hit the Add button at the bottom right. This will take you straight into the main editor window, where all the real editing begins. Now that we're inside the main editor window, let's get familiar with the layout. At the top, you'll find the preview screen, which lets you see how your video looks as you make edits. Below that is the timeline, where all your selected clips are laid out in order. At the bottom of the screen is the toolbar. Here, you'll find all of Capcut's editing tools, like split, crop, text, effects, and music. Think of this as your editing command center. And remember, the desktop version of Capcut has a similar layout, so you won't feel lost if you decide to switch between mobile and desktop. One of the most basic but important editing skills is knowing how to split, crop, and trim your clips. This helps you cut out mistakes or unwanted parts of your footage, making your video more concise. To split a clip, first tap on the clip in your timeline. Move the playhead, the white vertical line in the timeline, to the spot where you want to make a cut. Then tap Split from the toolbar. Your clip will now be divided into two separate parts, and you can easily delete the part you don't want by selecting it and hitting the Delete button. If you need to crop or zoom in on a specific part of your clip, select the clip and use the Crop tool. This allows you to adjust the visible area of the video, which is perfect if you want to focus on a particular detail or remove something from the edges of your frame. Remember, if you make a mistake, Capcut has Undo and Redo buttons right above the timeline. These are great for quickly correcting any accidental cuts or changes, and they're available on both mobile and desktop. Next, let's look at adding text to your video. This is especially useful for adding titles, subtitles, or even making your own watermark. To add text, tap on the Text button in the toolbar. You'll have options to add regular text, text templates, or even animated text effects. Choose Add Text, then type in what you want to display, like your video title, or important information for viewers. Once you've added your text, you can adjust its position, size, and style. Play around with the fonts, colors, and animations to make it fit the mood of your video. For a more polished look, you can add fade-in or fade-out effects to your text. If you want to create a watermark for your video, use the same text tool to add your channel name or logo. Then, go into the opacity settings and adjust the transparency slider to make the text semi-transparent. This way, your watermark will appear subtly on your video without taking away from the main content. Music is a great way to set the tone for your video and make it more engaging. To add music in Capcut, tap on the Sound option at the bottom. This will bring up a menu with a variety of options, including trending sounds, sound effects, and music from your device. You can search through Capcut's music library to find a track that fits the mood of your video. If you have your own music, like a custom soundtrack or a licensed song, tap from Device and select it from your phone's storage. After you select a track, it will appear as an audio layer in your timeline. You can drag the ends to trim it or adjust the volume using the sound settings. Let's move on to transitions. Transitions help create smooth changes between different clips or scenes, which makes your video look more professional. To add a transition, look for the small white box between two clips in the timeline. Tap on it and the transition menu will appear. Capcut has a variety of transitions, like cross-dissolve, slide, and zoom effects, which can add a cinematic touch to your edits. Select the transition you like, and you can adjust its duration by dragging the slider. Longer transitions create a more gradual shift between clips, while shorter ones are snappier. Play around with the options until you find what fits your style. If you want to add some visual flair to your video, Capcut's effects and blur options are perfect for that. To add an effect, tap Effects from the toolbar, and you'll see a range of options like glitches, filters, and more. Adding a blur is especially useful if you want to highlight a subject in your video or create a clean, professional look. To add a blur, select the blur effect and adjust its intensity to your liking. This can give your video a soft background effect, perfect for when you're using the 16:9 aspect ratio for YouTube. Speaking of 16:9, let's make sure your video is in the right aspect ratio for YouTube. To do this, tap on Format and select the 16:9 option. This format is ideal for YouTube because it ensures that your video will fit perfectly on the platform without any awkward black bars on the sides. Using the 16:9 format also makes it easier to add end screens when you upload your video to YouTube, giving you more options to keep viewers engaged with your other content. Now that your editing is done, it's time to export your video. To keep your video looking its best on YouTube, make sure to export in at least 1080p resolution with 60 frames per second and a high bitrate. Tap the Export button at the top right corner and you'll see these settings. Choosing 60 FPS ensures that your video plays smoothly, especially for fast-paced content like gaming or vlogs. Higher resolution and bitrate maintain the crispness of your video, making it look professional even on larger screens. Once you've set your export preferences, hit Export again. Capcut will start processing your video, and once it's done, it will save automatically to your device's gallery. You can now view your edited video directly from your gallery, and it's ready to be uploaded to YouTube. And there you have it. You've just learned how to edit a YouTube video using Capcut on mobile. Remember, all the steps we went through here can also be done using the desktop version of Capcut, so you can edit with whichever device you're most comfortable with. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow creators, and subscribe for more video editing tips. Our affiliate links for creator tools are linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. We care because your growth matters.